In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Google Tasks list. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your tasks from Gmail and send the list to your printer or save it as a PDF, all in just a few clicks. Start by opening a desktop web browser and going to gmail.com. Sign into the Google account that contains the tasks you want to print. This process works best on a computer because the printing option appears in the side panel within Gmail's web interface. Once Gmail loads, look to the right-hand side of the screen for the side panel. If you don't see it, tap the small arrow at the bottom right to expand it. In that side panel, click the Tasks icon. It looks like a blue circle with a check mark. This opens your Google Tasks panel without leaving Gmail. At the top of that panel, make sure you're viewing the specific task list you want to print. If you use multiple lists, you can switch between them using the list name drop-down near the top. Take a moment to scan your tasks and confirm they're organized the way you want them to appear on paper. Next, look for the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of the Tasks panel. This is the More Options menu for Google Tasks. Click it to open the menu. From here, select Print List. As soon as you choose that, your browser will generate a print preview of the current task list, including the task titles and, where applicable, subtasks and notes. What you see here is what will be printed. When the print dialog appears, choose your printer, set the number of copies, and pick options like layout and color. If you prefer a digital copy you can share or store, change the destination to save as PDF instead of sending it to a physical printer. This is a great way to archive a snapshot of your tasks or include them in a report. If the print preview doesn't show up, make sure pop-ups aren't blocked for Gmail, and consider refreshing the page. Also confirm that the task panel is open and that you selected print list from the panel's 3-dot menu, not from the browser's general menu. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, launch tasks from the right side panel, use the 3-dot menu to choose print list, and then print or save your list. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to replay any section while you print your own Google Tasks list.